wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua ni Ataririe ati marita thirikari ni Niinyitetie Muthiori gutigirira ati ni mahurana na turi nime turi sekta-ini ya Macani akiuga ati riu ihinda rĩao nirikinyite na no muhaka Urimi akorwo akiamukira kiria giake kumanagia na mathogora matiganite na kuria tugiritie miena itiganite ya bururi akiuga ati thogora ino ni ongererekete kuma ciringi 40 hari kilo nginyanagia makiria ma ciringi 50. Ona Guukiria Uguo Gachagua ni Ataririe ati riu arimi ni wega mahimbirie thirikari kana makorwo makihimbirie fertilizer ya Mbei Yaathi ni ria koretwo ikinyagio ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni President William Ruto makiuga ati ni guteithiriria na njira nene gutigirira ati arimi ni makorwo makigetha magetha maingi o ta uria kuhotekeka. Gachagua ari Uguo rucini rwa mothe hindi ria ekunyitanire na Anyiiti Itemi matiganite na makiria sekta-ini ya Macani mucii gwake mwena wa Karen mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi.
And why the tea farmer has not been benefiting is anytime there is a good payout, the directors at KTDA Holdings wanachukua pesa, wanaanza kujenga manyumba, wanaanza kufanya hiyo maneno. Hakuna, tumekataa. We will not allow it. Any gain in a good payout must go to the tea farmer. Yeah? I'm telling you. So nyinyi directors, kwa sababu tumeamua kusupport nyinyi, mimi sitaki tukosane na nyinyi. Na mnajua sisi pia si watu wazuri sana. Tukikosana, it is good to have us on your side. Si ndio? Hii maneno ya divestiture tuachane naye. And I want us to have an audit of all the subsidiaries. The ones that are profitable and are making sense and are in support of the farmers, ziendelee. The ones that are loss making, we find a way of liquidating them. Because there is no need to have some subsidiaries, they are profit making, then from the profit you support the loss making ones. Siyo ni ujinga.